Hey, what's going on? Jim here. I wanted to share this piece that I wrote called Courage. I'm hoping my school ensemble can play it. It's a kind of a bigger piece. And I'm also sharing it because I decided to splurge for just 1 month for 20 bucks. I am using the Vienna sound installs. It was fairly easy. I did, to get the balance correct, I am adding in some of MuseScore's instruments in the Vienna, but like the rolls came out flawlessly. The drum rolls, cymbal rolls, timpani rolls were really good instead of that Harley Davidson muffler sound. Is it worth 20 bucks? I'm not sure. I'm more of a guy, I'd rather buy a library, but it linked up really well. I'm more than happy to do a tutorial on that if you like. But it's really insane to see how much MuseScore has improved. I just remember 20 years ago it was okay, but the sound wasn't. They're using sound fonts, which is great, but it's really something else. But let me know what you think of the piece. I do love composing, and hope you enjoy it. Take care. Bye.